Hello, this is Michael Robbins from Gimbal Logic with a demonstration of barcode scanning on the Salesforce platform. The App Exchange package Gimbal Barcode has been leveraged over the years for many different solutions across multiple industries, and recently there's been a surge in interest in use of Gimbal Barcode for the purpose of COVID-19 testing and COVID-19 vaccine distribution logistics. This brief demonstration will be focused specifically on one of the core functions required for COVID-19 vaccine distribution. We'll start with a demonstration of barcode scanning in the desktop environment and then transition to a demonstration of barcode scanning using the Salesforce mobile app together with Gimbal Barcode. Pharmaceutical manufacturers package vaccine vials in shipping containers, little cartons that contain a few hundred or less vials. And to this shipping container, they affix a barcode label that conforms to the GS1 standard. They do the same thing with multiple different pharmaceuticals and medications, etc. The barcode includes various pieces of information that are critical for vaccine distribution logistics. The label includes information like a product identifier, a serial number, a batch number, an expiration date, and in this case, the quantity of the vials that are included in the outer box. So we're going to be scanning these barcodes to extract this information and use that information to insert a new record in Salesforce. In this case, we're going to be scanning the barcode in order to insert an asset record, but really the same functionality can be leveraged to insert or update any standard or custom object, and we can parse and place the data in any appropriate standard or custom field. Now, for the purposes of demonstration, so that I have more than one label, I'm also generating some additional labels on the platform itself that include randomized information of serial numbers and use by dates, etc., so that we can see that the functionality works nicely when you scan multiple barcodes in quick succession. Okay, let's get started. So I'm on my desktop computer or laptop, and I have a USB barcode scanner plugged into my computer. I have this piece of paper printed out and sitting in front of me, and I'm going to be scanning these barcodes. So I'm going to go to an account detail page, the detail page for a particular pharmacy where I'm going to be receiving some vaccine. We see currently there are no assets at this pharmacy, and I'm going to click the button for receive vaccine. That'll launch a lightning component, and I'm going to scan one of those Datamatrix barcodes. And we see that the information was parsed out, and we also see behind the scenes the asset related list refreshed, and a new asset, in fact, has been inserted in Salesforce under this account. I can do that again. I'll scan another barcode, and we can do this repeatedly, multiple times, one after another in quick succession to add multiple assets, all the while parsing out the critical GS1 information from the barcode that is on the shipping container of the vaccine. Now, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to clean the slate by clicking this delete all button to remove all of those assets from the database, and we'll shift over to a demonstration on the mobile device. On the mobile device, again, I'm going to the detail page of an account, and the same component is available in the mobile device, but you'll see it looks a little bit differently. So this receive vaccine quick action is the same as this receive vaccine action button. I'm going to click this button on the mobile device, and we'll see that my same lightning component launches. The only difference is that now I also have a button for mobile barcode scanning, and I'm going to click that button. We'll see the gimbal barcode launches, the camera of the mobile device launches, and I'm going to gradually, slowly, for demonstration purposes, move over this label so that you can see the information that's there. And now as soon as I go over the barcode, the scanning takes place, the data is extracted, and the new asset record has been inserted. Let me do that again for a new barcode. And we see now that we have two records. Let me get a third one in there just so we can see the data scroll. And we can see we have multiple records. Now, if I try to scan the same barcode again, the system is smart enough in this particular implementation to know that actually that container has previously been received, and that's the asset ID of the received container. So let me scan another new one, and we'll be brought back to our component over the High Street Pharmacy. We can go back to the pharmacy record now, and I'll see if I go to the related list that all of the assets are there. So this concludes our basic demonstration of barcode scanning on the Salesforce platform leveraged toward COVID-19 vaccine distribution logistics. If I can be of further assistance, please just get in touch with me. Thanks a lot.